I'm Steve Moon, and today we're going to talk about Micro Power Guard. Here's a demonstration on how it works. This is just a miniature Micro Power Guard, just like I showed you in our other video. To clean it, you're going to clean it, you just take the pads out, change them. So this is just a conventional unit put together for demonstration purposes. What I'm going to do to show you how great this thing works, I do not smoke cigarettes, so this is like my first pack of my life, and we're still using it. So we're going to light a cigarette, we're going to fill this box with smoke, which is going to demonstrate exactly what the stale air in your home is doing. When you're spraying chemicals to clean your home, when you've got cigarette smoke, you've got lots of different pollutants in the air in your home, we've got to clean those out because our homes are so tight. They don't dissipate anymore, and that's why people are getting sick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this box with cigarette smoke. I'm going to turn the fan on to show you what your air conditioning system does, how it just circulates through a normal filter. Then I'm going to energize the filter and watch what happens. So here we go. Cigarette in there, and I'm going to pump smoke in here, hopefully. My cigarette didn't light. So let's try this again. It's a little windy here today. So got it this time. Here we go. I'm a heavy smoker, so I'm really gonna fill this house with smoke. So you guys tell me when I've got enough. Is that enough?
A little bit more.
I think we need more. I do. I wanna really show you what this thing can do. So is that a house full of smoke or what? So your normal filter will your air conditioning system just blows it around, it's circulating through, but nothing's happening. As soon as I energize my filter, watch what happens. Now that's cleaning the air in your home. We can install these in any home. They fit in any space. It's very, very simple. It takes the place of your conventional filter. So have a great day. Thank you for watching. Check us out on www.moonairinc.com. and we'll answer any question you have. Have a great day.